Hello everyone, today I'll be presenting case study 2 with Fred. This is by Kyle Luna. Hello Dr. Luna, my name is Fred. I am 67 years old and have worked my way up the ladder at a construction company I've worked at for about 32 years. I have a wife, Margaret. We've been married 34 years and a son named Mark. It really pains me to make this call as I've been having memory issues. Sometimes I may only mow half my lawn or lose a personal item and just completely forget about it. To make matters worse, I missed an important meeting with a big contractor, and I just went to the office without even remembering. It was a big opportunity for the construction company, and I really let my manager down and my bosses down. What's worse, I forgot my anniversary with my wife and just completely let her down. I could see the sadness and concern in her face, and it broke me. I was the one my son counted on as a good father, the good husband to my wife, and a strong man that could support them. Now I feel like a different person that cannot be there for them. Please help Dr. Luna. Thank you, everyone.